Hi Christmasers! Welcome back to the channel for Christmasing, Christmaser University. Did Barbie go to university? She's going today. We're going to make a Barbie tree together, and even if you're not gonna make one this season, just hang out with me. We're gonna have so much fun. If it's your first time here, subscribe because, well, this is the channel for Christmasing. A Barbie box. Can you have a Barbie tree without a Barbie box? Sure you can. Why would you want to? I don't know. This box was made by my friend Ryan. It is, well, and her husband Vincent. Thank you all, Vincent. OG elves, that's what they are. She made it for her birthday. I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna need to borrow that and I'm gonna need you to make me a sign with my name on it. So it is made out of wood. It is actually quite light. Even I could lift it and we love it. So if you have the space to store a Barbie box, then obviously you should have one. And if you don't, you could make a Barbie box out of a cardboard box. I'm thinking a wardrobe box. Cut. There's ways to do this. You can make one that fits on a dresser with a significantly smaller tree. We can solve this problem if your heart is set on a Barbie box and you actually want to be legit like me and have the box. So here we go. I just found this in the garage. Feels like the right height. I didn't actually check it because I didn't want to lift the tree twice, so I don't know if it's the right height. We'll see. It's just a box and it's gonna raise it up. If you are building your official Barbie box, however you decide to build it, you may need to raise your tree. If you're doing a smaller version, those little cheapy trees, the little 3-footers, 2-foot trees, they weigh literally nothing. You could actually do it with another cardboard box. Just get it high enough. That feels like good placement. I'm going to attempt to put this in by myself without Kyle. Do you think I can do it? I want to know if you believe in me.
You can do it.
Okay. Here I go. Oh, it was really good. I did it. Okay, let me check it out. Oh my gosh, it's the cutest. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is a half Christmas tree. They make trees that are, it's just cut in half. There's no back to it. So if you were doing it at home with your smaller Christmas tree, you could just like not fluff the back. I'm giving you permission to not fluff a tree. Did we ever think that would happen? No. Did we ever think I'd hoist my own Christmas tree into a box when Kyle's standing 4 feet away? Also no. I'm gonna give her a little fluff. I'm gonna tuck this part down because you know we don't need that. Elfa Lisa is so good at fluffing Christmas trees. She always has the top sticking straight up and I always pop it right back down. It was so cute, right? Gosh, I don't even want to decorate her because I'm so pleased with myself. Light pink luster. Light pink luster ribbon is what I'm starting with. And I am going to add ribbon because Barbie's girly and ribbon is lovely. And so that's a little match made in heaven. Oh, Kyle's over there smiling. Is it so I will smile? I don't know. I'm just going to do a single loop bow. Oh my gosh, I haven't used this ribbon yet. Did you see what just happened when I made a bow? Well, first of all, it practically made itself. And second, it's so beautiful. If you don't know how to make bows, I've got a video for that. I got you. I might have to cheat it down a little bit. So I definitely don't want to come over the top. I have a lot of ornaments, so I'm just going to ribbon down just to get this flow, almost like we're giving her a little dress. I also never had a Barbie. I never played with Barbies. When I was little, I would go to my grandmother's a lot. She was cool and she loved Jesus a lot. And so we spent a ton of time with her. And she had my mom's Barbies, which were like kind of coveted. And I very rarely got to play with them because they were special. Me, I make everything for the occasion. If we have anything at our house and somebody wants to, I would just take it. Every day is my special occasion and I probably got that from her because I just didn't understand why it was so special I couldn't play with it. And they were really greasy because they were old, right? They were really old and so that's just what I remember about them is their skin was greasy. My skin is not greasy. I'm done with that now. When you're putting your ribbon on a tree, I did want to talk about this. When you're ribboning a tree, the ribbon is going to instinctively know what it wants to do. As soon as you get there, if the ribbon's like, we're gonna do this right now, just kind of go with it. Go with it because you're just gonna get something prettier than maybe you might have when you started. I'm going to pull this over because I think it looks like a bow, right? That's so cute. The ribbon did that all by itself. It's a collaboration between me and Ferrisol. This is called Tinsel Sheen, right? Yeah, it is so beautiful. When the plastic wrap's on, it's like a little bit of a Barbie. It looks a little greasy like my mom's Barbies. But look how pretty that is. Do you see the reflection? This is so spectacular. And I already knew she's gonna make her own bows because she is so pliable. Wow. That's like a lip gloss. I'm not over ribboning. We're just giving her a little kiss of ribbon. This is so pretty. When layering your ribbon, you want the ribbon that's layered to come out more. So one ribbon is giving it the Audi and the other one gives it the Audi. So just make sure that you have the separation between the ribbons. We had to film this today. We're talking about this birthday party I'm doing, superhero party, and I was talking about the Barbie box. And then I was like, it's not a Barbie box. It's an action figure box. Christmasers who has little Avengers at home, this could be anything. It doesn't have to be a Barbie tree. If an action figure comes in a box, you can put your Christmas tree in a little box and make it look like you're at a toy store, in your kids' room, or in their playroom, or in your living room if you're that kind of mom. I'm not that kind of mom, just in case you were wondering. But I do like the playful trees. We do it upstairs in the kids' rooms. I know quite a few girls who would want this in their home. Oh, just the cutest. The ribbon looks wet coming out of the tree. This is pretty interesting. And I didn't know how it was gonna read, but as I'm using it, all I wanna do is use it. For the next 4 weeks, all you're going to be seeing from me is Tinsel Sheen. It's truly the lip gloss on a Christmas tree. So I don't have enough to make a pretty little do-to-do, so I'm just going to tuck it in. Here, now it looks like I meant to do that. Oh, I can't get over the ribboning. I feel like we're done. No, we're not. Next, we're gonna go in with our statement pieces. A statement piece doesn't have to be something extravagant or something you spend a lot of money on. It truly is just something that inspires you. I'm always inspired by presents filled with nothing but my love. Just if you didn't know that about me. These are just boxes. There's nothing in them but my love. And the cutest gift tags in the whole world. To Ken. And that's just going in. And these statement items are gonna fill such a large portion of the tree. Push the branch down and get your box in there. Everything will fit, I promise you. The biggest concern we have, well, me, you're probably like, I'm literally not concerned about what you're gonna do here, Jeanna. The biggest concern right now would be that I put so many things on the front of the tree that the tree becomes like top heavy and tips out of its box. So I chose really lightweight items. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna put so much on, it's probably gonna tip a little. I really have a lot of faith in that box inside. So cute. Okay, I'm styling my little gift tag. My friend Ryan made these too. Spends more time styling her satin ribbon than she does decorating her whole Christmas tree. I did a little rectangle one too. I think it's probably supposed to be stocking tags, but I have nowhere to put a stocking. So they are super cute though. A little bit of a different style tag. This one's going down here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Is your brain spinning right now? Are you thinking about ways you can do this or do something? The whole point's to inspire. No matter what you're doing. Are you making a Nutcracker figurine in a box? Like, I don't know. The whole point is just are you having a Jack in the Box taco right now? Why are they so good? Nobody knows. Maybe you do. If you do, put it in the comments. I'd like to know. I'd like that for dinner too. Okay, now I'm starving. Talk about custom. I don't know if you've seen these yet. These are the jewels that we sell. It's a setting like your jeweler would make for you. It is a custom setting for our jewel going in the tree. Ken might get presents, but Barbie's is gonna be the fanciest. Next, okay, those are all my special ornaments. I think you'll agree they were pretty special. Next, I'm going in with my largest ornaments and ready, set, go. While I am wiring my very large ornaments into the heart of my tree, which is deep, because I want the ornament to be pushed in, I'm holding the branch at the same time because this tree is literally gonna topple over, but we're not going to let that happen. And if it does, we're gonna cut it. How am I putting my ornament in? This is the branch. This is the branch that's coming from the structure. So I grab the branch and I put the ornament in this way. This is ugly, it's plastic, nobody wants to see it. This is so pretty and sparkly. I put the ornament in and I twist. Just one time because it weighs nothing. It's weightless. See? Going nowhere. Going nowhere. It's going into my tree. I chose all sparkly and reflective ornaments because sparkly and reflective things make me happy. I am not a fish. I don't even like to go in the water, but it is what it is. This is where all the comments come in about me falling. into the pool. Pink pearl, pink pearl. Pink pearl is the color, pearl is the finish. It's so pretty. And yes, yes, yes. I am working in my pattern. If you haven't seen my patterning video, give it a watch. It may be confusing, watch it twice. The pattern is coming through the tree. You can see there is one. There's always a pattern. Pattern makes me always very aware of no matter how many ornaments I have, they're all going to have a home. If I only have 3, that's fine. They're all gonna have a home. If I have 33, they're all gonna have a home because it's the pattern. And maybe sometimes they're closer together, maybe sometimes they're further apart. I only have 3 of these. They're going in. They're gonna look great. Even though I only have 3, it's fine. Why? Because I'm gonna use a pattern. Also, she's a Barbie girl. She's partying, right? Doesn't Barbie likes to party? So she needs some shatterproof mirror balls. Next, we're going in with the glass. The glass is gorgeous. And I did accidentally just break 2, but it's going to be fine because we're gonna use that patterning. Oh, do you see that? Do you see what happened there when we brought the glass in? Good things. I think this is the most ornaments probably anybody's ever put into a tiny half tree. The tree is so like tight and confused right now that Robin's like, open up, I'm coming in. We're gonna have so much fun together. It doesn't believe me. The tree is a little confused. These trees are fantastic. If you're decorating spaces like dining rooms, you need a tree in the hallway. Half trees are fantastic because they only take up half the space. And they're better than a pencil tree because they have more diameter, but they have less junk in the trunk. So pretty. I'm gonna tuck this behind my diamond. It is hard to believe that I don't have daughters. I'm buying my boys a Barbie. I've had so much fun this season making Taylor Swift trees, doing Barbie. Like, this has been really a good time for me. And for my first few years, I did so many trees that were for my boys, and I never really made any trees for girls. I don't know, all of a sudden, because pink was trending this season, so I'm like, let's do the trees. When I use my crystalline glass, I try to make sure that there is a light behind it because the light goes straight through it and it makes it look like a pink light bulb. Illume, illume. The illume pink is going in next. Oh, geez. So sturdy. Pink shatterproof is next. If you are wondering where on earth did she get all of these pink ornaments, you do not have to wonder for very long. We have something on the website called Design Recipes. Anything I post, anything you see, we have a recipe for it. The photo is there. Click on the photo you like, and then all the links are there. And then if you only need like one thing, cool, the link is there. And if you don't need anything, but you're just curious of where I got everything, you can find that out too. The link is also in the description. We have baby jewels. They're just little. They come as a set of 4. How sweet are these? So you could hang them like this, or you can let them dance on the branch. Let me just show you what that looks like because it's so pretty. Wow. Just so girly. I'm gonna go next in with some picks. But I'm gonna rip them into 3. So it's a 3-for-1 type of pick, and I'm just gonna get a little party happening. If your pick's too long, just give it a little haircut. It's better than cutting your own bangs when you are having a bad day. Been there, done that, not doing it this season. I have a pack with my Instagram Christmasers that I will not cut my hair this season. I always cut it. I give myself like little Christmas bangs, and then the wind kicks up, and then I have static bangs, and it's not adorable. But what is adorable is this pick, because I gave it a trim. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna trim, and then I'm actually gonna take the trim pieces and put the trim pieces in, just like little individuals. Did you think we were done? We are not done. These stunners are going to go right up here. How are we going to get them in the ceiling? Easy. I had Kyle put big giant hooks up there in the ceiling. That's fine. It's going to be totally worth it. You can't have the epic things without doing things like putting screws in your ceiling. It's not a big deal. I may not know what Barbie would say, but I know what Dolly would say. I think I could get away with less, but I like more. More is always a good idea. I'm Jeanna Loves Christmas. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.